Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Chrome Mobile does not support Chrome Web Store extensions directly. You can use alternative Android browsers that include extension support. This guide shows step-by-step how to install and use extensions. You will learn to find, install, enable, and manage extensions safely. Follow each step carefully and check permissions before granting access. Keep your browser updated to reduce security risks and compatibility issues. If an extension needs a desktop feature, use remote desktop or alternatives. Now start with the installation. Open Google Play Store and install the Kiwi browser on your Android device. Launch Kiwi and go to the Chrome Web Store using the address bar. Open the browser menu and select Request Desktop Site before loading pages. Search for the extension you need and tap Add to Chrome to install. Confirm permissions in the pop-up and wait while the extension downloads and installs. After installation, open Kiwi's Extensions page to enable or pin the extension. Proceed to testing the extension on sites where you need its functionality. Open Kiwi's Extensions page to view all installed extensions and their details. Use the toggle to enable or disable extensions without uninstalling them permanently. Tap Details to adjust permissions, site access, and optional extension settings. Remove an extension by tapping Remove and confirming to free storage and limit access. Test extensions on trusted sites and revoke permissions if unexpected behavior appears. If an extension breaks pages, disable it and report the problem to the developer. Regularly review extensions to protect privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.